kids. I am a dog. I say woof, woof. I am a very loyal animal and I love to play with humans. Hello, friends. I am a cat. I say meow, meow. I love drinking milk and catching mice.
Hi kids, I am an elephant. I am the biggest land animal. I use my trunk to drink water.
Hello, kids. I am a frog. I say croak, croak. I love jumping and living near water. Hello, kids. I am a rabbit. I love eating carrots and hopping around. Kids, comment which animal you want next. Hi, kids. I am a panda. I love eating bamboo and I am very calm and cute. Kids, comment which animal you want next.
Hello, friends. I am a giraffe. I have a very long neck and I love eating leaves from tall trees.
Hello, kids. I am a monkey. I love eating bananas and jumping from tree to tree. I am very playful and funny. Subscribe to Feelingstab for more fun animal videos.